YouTube land, something a little different today, and for a while. So I've been forbidden from buying cars for a little bit because of money needs. This was free. This is a John Deere 116, which has been very well beaten. I'm just gonna put the light on. Boop. There we go. It's not doing much. This is pretty much how I've gotten it. I put a battery on it trying to figure things out. So far, not working too well. But, hell, it's free. What do we expect? Now, surprisingly, the gas isn't ancient in here. I got a good whiff and it smelled decent. But I have to fight the Gremlins. Oh yeah, and I put this here. Because the prior owner lost the key. Did a little makeshift doohickey there with buttons, which I'm still trying to figure out. I'm not sure if this unit came with a light or not, so we have a hole right there. I gotta figure out what to do with that. But it's in decent shape for its age. Then again, I don't know much about these. I've never worked on a riding mower. No idea what these are for. Maybe battery posts? I don't know. But, yeah. It had a trailer hitch on it, which was broken off just about like that. I'm probably going to leave it off because I have no real need for it. Used to have a set of taillights screwed in. No brakes. Oh, that's where the mounting point was. I'm just gonna... Can I? Yes, because I can. Got booger welds, so... Almost ate shit, though. Let's not do that again. But, still trying to figure it out. I have no real instruction on it. No real idea how I'm going to work on it. I'm going to work on it. Probably going to pressure wash it first to see what I got going on here. But yeah. Let's see. Paint's in decent shape. I do want to fix it up right, at least somewhat right. I know John Deere has done some evil shit recently. What? Wow, I think he's got some. Oh, hello, mosquito. Die. You gotta figure out how I'm gonna fix this up. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Oh, I can't zoom out, sorry guys. This isn't its front badge, missing its deck, which I don't care. I didn't buy it for the deck. Yeah, I gotta figure out all these things Gremlins because it's interesting. What's this yellow wire going to? Bug zapper killed something again? Oh, what's this? I have no idea. But yeah, little John Deere. That thing runs like a deer. Yeah, here. This carburetor. Let's see how bad you look. How much you want to bet you could be a mouse nest in here? Thank God. There is not. Just a very dirty carb. I'm glad to see this filter's there, because let's face it, mouse nests are a thing. Oh, that's how it works. The guy who I bought it from just told me how it works. So the red button. Yeah, I gotta figure it all out. Alright. But, yeah. This is gonna be a fun little thing to do. Again, I have no idea about these little riding tractors. But also, this thing's life is going to be used as a prop and something for me to have fun with my kids with. Because let's face it, what's more? It's a tractor. It's going to be a yard toy. Debating if I'm gonna replace the seat. I might just clean it up and see how she looks. But yeah, this thing's gonna be an interesting little ride. So my phone decided to go off. Not the one I'm holding, but my old phone, which my daughter uses, which is here for some reason. But anyway, I might just hit her with a little wash down with a Lysol wipe and see how she looks. But so far on it, all the levers work, the choke works. No lights whatsoever. Maybe I'll do a resto mod, but she is a pretty old unit. You know, I wonder if I can just go down to Home Depot, not Home Depot, Advanced Auto, and just grab an ignition switch. I might just do that. Just put it back to factory, see what she does. But, yeah, let's have a look underneath her. Oh no, not too bad, except for the spiders. Q, Patrick Star, yelling spider. What the fuck is that plug? I have no idea what this is going to. Or what is this going to? I'm getting more questions instead of answers. Oh, that's not factory. This is... It's got a yellow wire. What is this for? This is not the original harness. I know that. Okay, now let's see. Where do you go, mysterious cable? You go down there somewhere. This is weird. Yeah, I definitely gotta put it back to factory. They broke that part off. It's probably to be replaced anyway. So 2 cylinders. A lot of water. Huh. Yep, this is to be tomorrow's project. Today I might just give it a quick Lysol wipe exterior clean, see what she looks like underneath. I wonder what that wire is. I know these lights work. These were controlled by this switch, and these are the rear ones which no longer exist. I might just put a light on top for the fun of it, but at the same time I want to keep it looking somewhat original. Again, surprisingly, the gas in this thing is not filthy. It's got decent gas in it. I just gotta figure out how to make it run. Anywho, I'm gonna stop there. I look forward to more from this thing. It won't give me a lot of things to do, but it'll give me enough things to do. Neat.